To connect the USB drive into the POCO X8 Pro and transfer files, first of all, before you plug it in, you will have to go into the settings. Now scroll into the additional settings. Scroll and go for OTG and make sure that you are gonna turn it on, because without this, in the most cases, you will be not able to get connection. So now plug it in into the USB-C port, and when we open this, notifications, we can find the USB drive. When we tap on it, we'll be able to open. So now, if you want to transfer from some files from your USB drive or to your USB drive, let's say that I'm going to show you how to transfer them from. So go for your folder, select everything. For example, I'm going to select this picture. Select everything that you want to transfer, and now select Move. Now select internal storage, and I'm going to put this, for example, into the pictures, into the screenshots. Click here, and as you can see, the transfer is finished, and it looks the same in the opposite way if you want to move something into your USB drive.